this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a tungsten metallic 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 4x4 Crew Cab LT, stock number A6182A. Starting up front, you have heavy-duty tow hooks. This is all decked out in chrome. Hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is a polished alloy rim that is wrapped in a Cooper Discoverer tire. You have assist steps here on the sides and inside. There is a gray cloth upholstery that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Silverado. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There are side steps here on the back bumper. You have a trailer hitch. There's a soft tonneau cover here that is in great shape. And then inside of the truck bed, you have a all-weather mat here. You can see that's very clean. And the reason that I'm showing you the Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments, and you've also got all-weather floor mats. To the left of the steering wheel, there is a 4x4 turn dial control. And then inside, you do have cruise control buttons here, and there are also audio controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 5.3-liter V8 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 22 miles per gallon. This is equipped with OnStar. Coming down to the center, there is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. There are buttons here on each side for your heated front row seating. You do have traction control, and there are 3 USB ports right here. If you'd like to get more information on the Silverado or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.